Good evening. You're watching a special programme on the coronavirus outbreak, and in the past few moments it's been confirmed that a fifth person with the virus has died in the UK. Around half an hour ago, Boris Johnson said that the UK was making extensive preparations to move to the next phase of its response to the outbreak, the delay phase, and that the current strategy is unlikely to work on its own. The Prime Minister was speaking as it was confirmed that the number of cases in the UK had risen by 46 to 319. Coming up, we'll be looking at how markets continued their steep plunge around the world, and we'll be live in Italy, where in the past few moments authorities have confirmed 1,800 new cases and 97 deaths in the last 24 hours. But first, let's speak to Sky's Ashish Joshi about the news here in the UK. And Ashish, let's start with that, the fifth death being announced.
We've just had a statement through from NHS England. I'll read it to you, Mark. It says, "We can confirm that sadly a patient in their 70s who was very unwell with a number of significant and long-term health conditions has passed away at St Helier Hospital. They had tested positive for COVID-19. Our thoughts and condolences remain with the patient's family and loved ones at this difficult time." This is the second death that's been reported today. Earlier this morning, we had the very sad news of a woman in her 70s who'd passed away. Very similar case, in her 70s, underlying health condition, complications, and she was from the Wolverhampton area. So 2 deaths reported on the same day. That's the first time that's happened since the beginning of this coronavirus outbreak.